Lillian sharing with Connor. Even if Connor doesn't want
I
it.
don't think he wants it, Lillian.
Lillian, can you give Connor a kiss? Oh, that's nice. Yep, go get the ball. Go walk. Walk to it. Good girl. Yep, go walk. No, you got it. Oh, you right? Lillian. Oh, boo.
I'm gonna get another cup of coffee in a minute. I'll
No.
grab one. Those are things here. Those right here, last year. Ready?
Lillian, can you walk? Where'd Auntie Katie go? You'd like her to be outside. That looks grumpy.
Oh.
I'm not going to get her. I can't do that. She's getting coffee. If looks could kill. Go get the ball. I've informed her she doesn't have magic powers and can't will the ball towards her. Good job. Good, go get it.
Girl. Come on. Good girl.
Good job.
Oh my gosh. Good girl.
Yay, Lillian. Now go back to the goal. There he is. Love Connor. Up. Lillian, say bye-bye. Whoops. Lillian. Lil. Bye-bye. You're ignoring me. All right.